Hey guys, this is the channel Random Minecraft Stuff and more. Sorry I haven't made a video in like almost a month. It's because of the road trip that we've been it's because we are having our road trip and also packing up the house. But yeah, with another ceiling fan video, I'm gonna show you this Harbor Breeze Centreville that's in a bedroom at my aunt's house. This was purchased in Lowe's back in, like it was almost 4 years ago, like in September or October of 2016. And yeah, I, I think I must have found it at medium, so I'll go ahead and shut it off. Alright, start with the light. I'll put the fan on low. This fan hums a bit. And yeah. I've heard some people saying that these fans are low quality, but this one is a decent performer. I can feel some air coming from it. Oh, sorry for the people talking if there is in the video. Anyways, medium speed. Yeah, I believe I found this fan on medium speed. Oh yeah. Don't mind the people talking. Yeah. It's pushing some more air. Alright. Put this fan on high. It has the most on high speed, I believe. Has a little bit of wobble, but it does push an average amount of air, or yeah. The airflow is pretty good on this fan. Yeah. Alright, I'll put it back to medium where I found it at. Then we'll make this demonstration video over. So this is a Harbor Breeze Centreville that's in a bedroom at my aunt's house. And so yeah, thanks for watching. The channel Random Minecraft Stuff and more out.